sana Kennedy Nyambega. Patia Kennedy Nyambega.
Thank you very much. My name is Kennedy Nyambega, the PWD chair for Kisii County. Before I pose my question, I want to thank the committee and the legal team for actually moving with speed to ensure that there are amendments that have been done for the purposes of moving our party forward. And I also want to thank His Excellency, the party leader, the Tinga, Honorable Raila Odinga, for considering the week, the PWD, of course, the inclusivity in the decision-making in the party ODM. Actually, this is the second to none party that does this. Now, my questions are as follows. Question number one. In fact, we are not sleeping in our county. There is a lot of mayhem. There is a lot of threats. There is a lot of actually misunderstanding between the national and the ODM leaders in our country, especially for the governor, His Excellency Hon Simba. He's been targeted, atufanyi kazi, atuendi mahali, and the ODM party must come clear to actually support Simba because yeye ni mchapa kazi and he's a vice chair. If the party will not give him any immunity, then we are dying. People from Kisii County. Our leadership is dying in Kisii County.
Thank you.
The second thing,
lastly,
the leaders of ODM wameletewa maaskari, wanaletewa magari katika mageti zao ili wawe arrested without no charges. What is our party doing? And on disability, Honorable Chair, just because of my specialty.
Thank you.
I need only 20 seconds.
Thank you.
I'm requesting for inclusive.
Your time is up.
I'm requesting for inclusivity.
Kennedy, your time is up. Can I see from Western? Because we have had someone from the Northeastern region.